Henry was taken into Hawkins' lab during the height of the Cold War. I've talked about the Cold War in the horror history episode on Alexei. The Cold War was a tense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union, where the threat of nuclear attack was always looming. The Cold War led to fear of the spread of communism throughout the United States. It caused an arms race between the United States and the Soviet Union, and one of the many occurrences during this time was the development of the MKUltra program. The same program in which Dr. Brenner found Henry to be a sort of superweapon. As Dr. Brenner studied Henry, he likely realized the source of his telekinetic abilities and tried to determine what chemicals were used on Victor during the war. After discovering them, he started a new program, his own little MKUltra, testing on volunteers who would later have children, which Dr. Brenner would keep under his care at the Hawkins lab to study and train them to be used as super soldiers. Because Henry was the first, Dr. Brenner tattooed the numbers 001 onto his wrist to help keep track of each of them. Although there are 18 subjects that we know about, the fact that there are 3 digits used in the numbering system implies that Papa envisioned himself creating hundreds of these children. His choice of only referring to them with a number and tattooing that number on their forearm feels similar to the concentration camp tattoos. While the United States was on the opposite side during World War II, and Dr. Brenner would always claim that his actions were to protect the United States citizens from evil, he is essentially replicating something similar.